imagine the amount of body roll he is experiencing, right?
Yeah. When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose with my gun. When you see me, you better run.
So man, why I started this channel is because I was mad about moto vlogging. I was literally mad about moto vlogging. I know every single moto vlogger, whoever it is. I just go to YouTube and I just type moto vlogger and then I watch whatever the video I get. I watch their whole journeys. It's because I love traveling. I seriously love traveling. And then I realized that there are no car vloggers. There are one or two who are really popular. For example, Explore the Unseen. He is a crazy guy, man. He vlogs really well. Crazy guy, crazy. But still, there is nobody who vlogs in a driver's point of view. In every single car vlog, the passenger will be holding the camera, or sometimes the backseat guy. For example, look at the motor vlogging. You will involve in the driving, right? You will be involved in the driving. You will be traveling with them, but you can't do that in car vlogs. In car vlogs, everything will be all about just friends talking and then showing the sceneries. Nobody shows the meter and nobody shows the steering wheel. I wanted to do that. I bought the GoPro. One day I wore the GoPro and I went to shoot some video. I thought I'll post a nice vlog of going and having tea with my friends. So I wore the camera. I was on the nice road. I was going simply, and then all of a sudden a Endeavor comes and flashes by, and for no reason we started chasing. And while coming back, I thought, okay, at least this time we will vlog. I don't want to put all this stuff on YouTube. Let's keep it private. And then while coming back, all of a sudden one Skoda Rapid guy came, flashed at me, and then some shit happened. Literally shit happened over there. Whoa. Imagine the amount of body roll he is experiencing right now. This road is really bouncy, man. One drain ra. That's the problem with these kind of guys. If you are going slow, go in a slow lane, man. If you are going fast, go in a fast lane, or at least maintain one lane. There is no point of going in between both the lanes, man. See, look at this guy. He's awesome. He won my heart. So if every slow moving vehicles maintains one lane, fast moving vehicles can go simply from the fast lane. Seriously, these guys pisses me off. Now people will say that I am overtaking from the left lane, and this is a wrong thing. Nobody thinks about those lorry guys who is going in a right lane. Damn, so my GoPro died. It's out of memory actually. So nowadays I've been posting only night drive videos is because I'm trying my best to take my car out in the daytime, but I'm completely caught up with some work. Today, in fact, I had to go in the afternoon actually, but for some reason I came in the evening. That was a good sweet run with Innova. Nothing to talk about it. So disclaimer. What disclaimer, man? That was just a normal video, nothing much. I was just driving at 100, 110. Anyways, next month I'm going to Bangalore in November, and I'll be reviewing cars of my friends. I will take a test run with that 2001 Honda City straight pipe with stage 2 tuned, I guess. It's stage 2. It produces about 130 horsepower, I guess. So I'll take a test drive of that, and I might also post a video of cruise tuned stage 1 tuned automatic cruise versus my manual stock cruise. Let's see. And the reason for posting these kind of vlogs in between crazy race videos which you guys always wanted is because I want to interact with you guys. I've been getting DMs in Instagram about who the hell are you, why the hell are you doing this stuff. I mean, in a good way. Where are you from, etc, etc. So I wanted to make a small connection. Anyways guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. So I totally forgot to tell you guys about the stickers I got yesterday. So here is the one, here is another one in the left back window and one in the rear side of my car, right below the cruise.